chop, chop.
I chop the vegetables for the soup.
Slice, slice.
She slices the bread for sandwiches.
Mix, mix.
We mix the ingredients in a bowl.
Boil, boil.
We boil eggs in water.
Stir, stir.
He stirs the coffee with a spoon.
Bake, bake.
She bakes cookies in the oven.
Grate, grate.
They grate cheese for the pizza.
Fry, fry.
I fry eggs for breakfast.
Peel, peel.
She peels the apple with a knife.
Grill, grill.
He grills meat.
Steam, steam.
We steam vegetables for a healthy side.
Roast, roast.
We roasted this chicken in the oven.
Melt, melt.
Melt butter in a frying pan.
Spread, spread.
She likes to spread butter on warm bread.
Pour, pour.
Pour milk into a glass.
Mash, mash.
She likes to mash potatoes for dinner.
Squeeze, squeeze.
Squeeze the lemon for a burst of flavor.
Sauté, sauté.
She enjoys sautéing vegetables for pasta.
Blend, blend.
He uses a blender to blend fruits for a smoothie.
Add, add.
She likes to add sugar to her coffee.
Broil, broil.
He likes to broil chicken in the oven for a crispy texture.
Dip, dip.
She dips bread in honey.
Roll out, roll out.
She will roll out the dough to make cookies.
Cut, cut.
He uses a knife to cut the carrot.
Break, break.
She is breaking the eggs into the bowl.
Whip, whip.
She likes to whip cream for the dessert.
Pinch, pinch.
She only needs a pinch of salt for the soup.
Weigh, weigh.
She weighs an apple and a pie.
Sift. Sift.
She will sift the flour before making the cake batter.
Knead. Knead.
She likes to knead the dough to make delicious homemade bread.
Heat up. Heat up.
She will heat up the soup for lunch.
Taste. Taste.
She tastes the soup to see if it needs more salt.
Mince. Mince.
He needs to mince the meat for the spaghetti sauce.
Drain. Drain.
After cooking the pasta, she will drain the water from it.
Crush. Crush.
She will crush the garlic before adding it to the sauce.